Okay. What is the last digit of 6 power 100? 6 power 100 ki last digit ఏమవుతుంది? Okay, 6 power 100 can be written as 2 into 3 అని ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పాను కదా. చెక్ వెదర్ 6 power n can end with digit 0 for any natural number అని చెప్పినప్పుడు చెప్పాను కదా. దాన్ని 2 into 3 అనే ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. మరి ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఎలా చేయాలి? 6 power 100 ని ఫస్ట్ మనం 6 power 1 చూద్దాం. 6 power 1 లో లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఏమవుతుంది? 6 power 1 అంటే 6, లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ కూడా 6. అలా 6 స్క్వేర్ వచ్చి 36. ఓకే, అలా 6 క్యూబ్ చూడండి 200. లింక్ ఇచ్చాం చూడండి అమ్మ ఒకసారి. 12 o'clock Nana rational numbers and their decimal expansion. Next comes the rational numbers and decimal expansion. What are rational numbers? What are rational numbers?
The number starts.
What are rational numbers?
Negative numbers and positive numbers.
Rational. Any numbers which can be represented in the form of P by Q. P by Q formula represent. Yes. P and Q are integers and Q should not be 0. Rational numbers two types untai. One is terminating terminating and other are non-terminating. Rational numbers ni P by Q ga raskunnappudu ee P by Q ni decimal form lo convert cheste they will be of two types, terminating and non-terminating. Terminating and non-terminating. What is meant by terminating? Terminating means stopping. అంటే ఆ డెసిమల్ ఫామ్ ని P by Q ని డెసిమల్ ఫామ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు if the decimal form stops, then it is called the terminating decimal form. If it is in the form of non-terminating, then the P by Q, that rational number is a non-terminating rational number. Non-terminating lo malli two types untai. Non-terminating will be of two types, recurring decimal form, recurring and non-recurring. And non-recurring. Recurring means repeating. Recurring, reoccurring means repeating. Non-recurring means non-repeating. They will not repeat. It goes on. That type of rational numbers, those are non-terminating and non-recurring decimal forms are called as irrational numbers. Ivi em avutayi? Ivi irrational numbers avutayi. Rational numbers lo two types enti? Terminating decimal forms are rational numbers and non-terminating and recurring decimal forms are rational numbers. Other than that, non-terminating and non-recurring decimal forms are irrational numbers. What are they?
Irrational numbers.
Yes, these are irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Okay. Rational numbers are two types entamma. Terminating decimal forms are rational numbers. Non-terminating and recurring decimal forms are rational numbers. Inkoka condition undi. Non-terminating and non-recurring decimal forms are irrational. What are they? Irrational numbers. Okay. Suppose I am taking, let x be a rational number. X be a rational number. Okay. ఎలా ఉంటుంది రేషనల్ నెంబర్ అంటే? P by Q ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉంటుందా? ఓకే. ఇది P by Q అనేది which terminates. ఇది గనక టర్మినేట్ అయ్యింది అంటే Q will be in the form of q ఏ ఫామ్ లో ఉంటుంది 2 power m into 5 power n 2 power m into 5 power n x అనేది రేషనల్ నెంబర్ a rational number in the form of p by q that is terminating a rational number which is terminating then q denominator will be in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n okay like converse చెప్పగలరా మీరు converse of this condition any one of you చూడండి అమ్మ ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ let x be a rational number of p by q form p by q form which terminates means stops the decimal expansion stops then q will be in the form of q means the denominator q is in the form of
2 power m.
Yes 2 power m into 5 power n okay suppose next one conversely how we can say this one let x be a rational number let x be a rational number of p by q form and q has expansion the q has expansion ఎలా ఉంది q కి 2 power m into 5 power n 2 power m into 5 power n then the decimal expansion terminates then the decimal expansion terminates see here let if we are taking p by q అనే రేషనల్ నెంబర్ తీసుకొని అది టర్మినేట్ అయ్యింది అని చెప్పినప్పుడు q ఏ ఫామ్ లో ఉంటుంది 2 power m into 5 power m అలాగే x be a రేషనల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ p by q అనే ఫామ్ లో q అనేది 2 power m into 5 power n గా ఉంటే then the decimal expansion terminates when we are giving this condition this will be proved okay terminates అని ఇచ్చినప్పుడు q ఎలా ఉంటుంది 2 power m into 5 power n అలాగే q 2 power m into 5 power m అని ఉన్నప్పుడు then the decimal expansion terminate అవుతుంది converse of that above theorem okay
Yes, ma'am.
we have one problem show that root 2 is irrational show that root 2 is irrational we have to show root 2 అనే నెంబర్ irrational అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి we'll take a contradictory fact అంటే ఏంటి we'll prove first we'll state that root 2 is rational then after doing that problem we'll get that contradictory factor why we got because we have assumed that root 2 is rational that's why we got a wrong answer వచ్చింది కాబట్టి అది రేషనల్ నెంబర్ అవ్వదు it becomes an irrational number అని ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాం what we'll do assume that root 2 is rational if it is rational root 2 will be in the form of p by q root 2 is equal to p by q where p and or we'll take it as a by b it can be in the form of a by b where a and b are co-primes what is meant by co-primes Means
Which house?
suppose I am taking 2 by 4. నేను A 2 B 4 అని తీసుకున్నాను. 2 1s are 2 2s are. ఓకే 2 కి 4 కి మనకి కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ వచ్చి 2 గా ఉంది. అలాగే 1 కి 2 కి కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏమైనా ఉందా? లేదు. దీనికి ఈ రెండు కోప్రైమ్స్ అవుతాయమ్మా. మనం GCD చేసినప్పుడు ఆర్ HCF కి దీనికి 1 అయింది అనుకోండి, రెండు కోప్రైమ్స్ అవుతాయి. కామన్ గా ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏమీ లేదు. Then the greatest common divisor is 1. When the greatest common divisor is 1, those two are said to be co-primes. Those two are said to be co-primes.
Primes.
A and B are co-primes. You have to specify this condition. Other than that, it will be wrong. Root 2 is equal to A by B. Why we have written A by B? Since we assume that root 2 is rational, we have wrote root 2 is equal to A by B. Okay. Now cross multiply this one. B root 2 is equal to A. B root 2 is equal to A. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. We have B square. This is B square. Root 2 whole square is 2B square is equal to A square. Root 2 whole square ante entama square root 2 poyi 2 vastundi. 2B square is equal to A square. Therefore what we got, A square is equal to 2 into B square ani vachinda. A square is equal to,
Yes, ma'am.
suppose I am taking 6. 6 can be written as 2 into 3, no?
Yes, ma'am.
That 3 divides
Yes,
6.
ma'am.
3 తో డివిజన్ చేసినప్పుడు 6 కి రిమైండర్ 0 వస్తుంది కదా. 2 తో డివైడ్ చేసినా కూడా రిమైండర్ 0 వస్తుంది కదా. అలాగే మనము A అనేది 2 ని డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. Therefore 2 divides A square. 2 అనేది A square ని డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. 2 divides A square. It implies that 2 divides A. మనకు ఒక థియరం నేర్చుకున్నాం. If P divides A square, then P divides A. అనే థియరం నేర్చుకున్నాం కదమ్మా ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ లో.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam.
అలాగే 2 divides A square అయినప్పుడు 2 divides A. 2 divides A. ఓకే.
A.
ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ 2, 16 ని డివైడ్ చేస్తుందా? 16
Yes,
డివైడ్
ma'am.
చేస్తుందా? దెన్ 2 divides
Yes,
4 కదా.
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
it? 2 అనేది 4 ని డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది కదా.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose here 2 is dividing A square, then 2 divides A. 2 divides A.
A. A.
Okay. Now we'll take A as C. Let A is equal to 2C. From 1 we'll have that 2B square is equal to A place లో ఎంత పెట్టుకోవాలి? 2C పెట్టండి. 2C whole square. Okay. 2B square is equal to 2 square means 4C square.
4.
2 1s are and 2 2s are. B square is equal to 2C square. We got B square is equal to 2 into some number. Therefore, similarly we can write it now. 2 divides A square అయిందా ఇక్కడ? అలాగే 2 divides
Yes,
B
ma'am.
square.
B square.
2 divides
B square.
B
B
square.
square.
Implies 2 divides B. 2 divides.
B. B.
See here, 2 is dividing A and 2 is dividing B. What we have wrote here, but A and B are co-primes. We have specified that one. A and B are co-primes. A కి B కి కామన్ గా డివైడ్ చేసేవి ఏ నెంబర్స్ లేవని రాసుకున్నాం మనం ఇక్కడ. కానీ మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది? 2 divides A, 2 divides B అంట. అంటే ఏంటి? దిస్ ఇస్ అ కాంట్రడిక్షన్ కదా. Yes? This is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
contradiction to our assumption. This is contradiction to our assumption. Okay, that's why what we have assumed is wrong. What we have assumed root 2 అనేది రేషనల్ నెంబర్ అని అస్యూమ్ చేసుకున్నాము, అది రాంగ్. కాబట్టి root 2 is Is it clear, all of you? What we have
Yes,
assumed the condition is wrong. So root 2 is irrational. మనకి ఇప్పుడు root 2 irrational అని prove చేస్తాం. Similarly, you can do it for root 3, root 5, root 7. Root under prime number ఏ number ఉన్నా you can prove like this only. Okay?
yes,
This
ma'am.
is the only process to
Yes,
prove
ma'am.
for root under p అనే prime number తీసుకున్నప్పుడు irrational అని prove చేయాలంటే this is only the process. Okay, if you are given other than that one, suppose we are got 5 plus root 3, 5 plus root 3 అనేది మనం ఆల్రెడీ root 3 అనేది irrational number అని తెలుసు కాబట్టి we will prove in that way. మనకి సింగిల్ గా ఇలా నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు root 5, root 3, root 7, okay, root 11, any number you have to do in this process only. Okay, next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, madam.
Okay, Nana. Suppose 3 root 2 is there.
3.
Show that 3 root 2 is irrational. Okay. To prove this one, we will assume that root 2 is ఇక్కడ చూడండి 3 root 2 అనేది rational number అనే తీసుకుంటాం. Okay. We'll prove this one that way. In this, we have already known that root 2 is rational. Root 2 అనేది ఏంటని తీసుకుంటాం? root 2 అనేది irrational number. It is already an irrational number. We have got a rational number అని చెప్పి contradiction లో చెప్పి prove చేస్తాం. ఇది చూడండి ఒక్కసారి. 3 root 2. What will assume? Assumption ఏమని తీసుకోవాలి? Assume that
3 root 2 is a
3 root 2
rational.
is 3 root 2 is
Rational.
rational.
Rational number.
Okay. If 3 root 2 is a rational number, 3 root 2 will be in the form of a by b. Isn't it? A by b, where a
Yes,
and b
ma'am.
are primes. You have to specify the
Co-primes.
condition. Okay. Here, root 2 is equal to a by 3b. Root 2 is equal to a by 3b.
3b.
A is one integer and 3b is also an integer. We have got integer by integer is a rational number. We have got that root 2 is, we are getting root 2 as a rational number. Root 2 is a rational number. Is this correct? Is root 2 a rational number?
No, madam.
No. This is not correct because this is a contradiction to our assumption. This is contradiction to our assumption. Simply we'll take that manaki already root 2 అనేది rational number అని తెలిసినట్టు prove చేయాలమ్మ ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని. ఓన్లీ root 2, root 5, root 7, root 11 మాత్రమే అలా చేయాలి. మిగతావన్నీ మనకి root 2, root 5, root 7 అన్ని rational numbers. అమ్మా, are you having any doubt?
No, madam.
Root 2 అనేది
No,
మనకి
madam.
ఆల్రెడీ ఓకే, root 2 అనేది ఆల్రెడీ ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్ అని మనకి తెలుసు అని, ఆ కండిషన్ తెలుసు అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అని. అర్థమైందా? దిస్ ఇస్ కాంట్రడిక్షన్ టు అవర్ అసంప్షన్.
Assumption.
Okay, 3 root 2 is a
Irrational number.
irrational number. 3 root 2 is a irrational number. Okay. Then another one, prove that. Mute yourself.
వాడు ఫోన్ చేసిన మెసేజ్ పెట్టినా ఉంటాడా?
Prove that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Prove that
Root 2
root 2 plus root 3 is irrational.
రెండు irrational madam.
Ma? Somebody is saying something? Anyone? Can you say how we can prove this one? How will do? What we have to assume here? Let us suppose that or assume that
Root 2 plus root 3 is rational. Root 3 is an
let us assume that root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. Is a rational number. If it is a rational number, it will be in the form of
P by Q.
how it will be? A by B or P by Q. Where A and B are coprimes. Where A and B are coprimes. Okay?
Co-primes.
Root 2 is equal to A by B minus root 3. I am taking root 3 this side. Root 2 is equal to A by B minus root 3. Squaring on both sides.
Root 3.
On squaring, 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square means A by B minus root 3 whole square. Root and square 2 is equal to A square by B square plus root 3 whole square. This is A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. 2A by B into root 3. Okay? 2 is equal to A square by B square plus 3 minus 2A by B root 3. Now we'll take 2A by B root 3 this side, or 2 root 3 A by B is equal to A square by B square plus 3 minus 2. Okay? 2 root 3 A by B is equal to A square by B square plus 1. Okay, Nana? Then root 3 is 2 root 3 A by B is equal to A square plus B square. I am taking the LCM here by B square. Okay? Here 1B and 1B get cancelled. And root 3 is equal to A square plus B square by 2A. By 2A. Okay? ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మ, ఇది ఒక రూట్ 3 అనేది ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్, కానీ మనకి A by B ఫామ్ లో వచ్చింది. కానీ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్తుంది? A by B ఫామ్ లో వచ్చింది అంటే then it is a rational number. But we know that root 3 is a irrational number. So this is contradiction to our assumption that root 2 plus root 3 is rational. Can you write it?
Yes, madam.
What we got here? Here root 3 is a rational number. This is a contradiction fact.
Root 3 is rational.
This we attained in the form of, because we have assumed that root 2 plus root 3 అనేది rational number అని తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి contradiction arise అయింది. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Every problem you have to do in this model only. Shall I explain you another one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
5 minus root 3. Okay. What we have to assume? Let us assume that. What we have to assume? 5 minus
5 minus
root 3 is
rational.
irrational or rational?
Rational, ma'am.
Okay. If it is rational, how will the 5 minus root 3 exist? 5 minus root 3 is equal to? How we can write 5 minus root 3? Because it is rational, how we can write 5 minus root 3?
A and B.
5 minus, yes, A by B. A and B. A by B. Rational number definition lo cheppam kadamma.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is a rational number? Any number which can be represented in the form of P by Q.
P
Here
by
I
Q.
wrote A by B, that's all. Because it is a rational
by
number,
B.
I am writing it in the form of A by B. You have to write it as A comma B are co-primes. Where A and B are? Where A and B are co-primes. Okay. 5 minus root 3 is equal to A by B, no? Send root 3 to this side, right hand side, and A by B will come to the left side. 5 minus A by B is equal to root 3. Okay? Or root 3 is equal to 5 minus A by B. Root 3 is equal to, on taking LCM, we have 5B minus A by B. This is an integer and this is an integer. Integer by integer is a rational number. We have got here root 3 as a rational number. This is contradictory fact. Rational number. This is a contradictory fact. Why? Why it is a contradictory fact?
Ma'am, because root 3 is irrational. Ma'am.
Yes, because root 3 is an irrational number, but what we have got here, root 3 anedi rational number ani vachindi. Okay, so our assumption is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. Assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? 5 minus root 3 is rational. Therefore, 5 minus root 3 is irrational. 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Okay? Shall I say another problem? Will you do it now here? 6 plus root 2. 6 plus root 2.
6 plus root 2.
Are you able to do? Will you do now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody is doing? Or shall I go to the next one? Have you done that one?
Doing, ma'am.
Okay. If you are finished doing that one, say me.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it finished? Is it over? All of you?
Ask, ma'am.
Okay. Are you able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
completed, ma'am.
Okay. My next comes the logarithms. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you having formulas? Have you written the formulas from the previous classes?
Someone almost.
Yes, madam.
Okay, okay. Once take that one. Okay, first one is log x power m to the base a is equal to, this power comes front, is equal to m log x to the base a. Okay, next one is log 1 to the base a is 0. Okay, and
Yes,
log
ma'am.
of x by y is equal to log x minus log y. Log a to the base a is equal to 1, and log of xy is equal to log x plus log y. Okay, means this implies a power 0, anything to the power 0 is 1, no? Okay, 2 power
Yes,
0 is 1. Okay, 3 power 0 is 1. How we have to write this one? First, in the exponential form it is written as base ikkadiki vastundamma, alage ee power idi ee 1 వచ్చి ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది. ఇది అర్థమైందా?
Yes, ma'am.
In exponential form you have to write it. Base will be the common. Here also it is a base and here also it is called the base. A
Base.
power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, here also like that only. A power 1, a power 1 is equal to a. If a is one time only, then the power is one time. A అనేది power one time ఉన్నప్పుడు a power 1 అంటే ఎంత అవుతుందమ్మా? A కదా?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 2 power 1 is
2.
2 power 1 is 2.
2.
Okay. 3 power 1,
3.
3. 2 power 0,
1.
2 power, yes. Okay, log x by y. This can be written as log x minus log y. Log of x into y can be written as log x plus log y.
Log y.
Okay, some of the example problems I'll explain. Look here on it. For this definition is also given. First, you look into that also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nana. You are having in the example problem 3 power x is equal to 5 power x minus 2. Whenever it is given in this form, exponential form, and asked you to simplify this one, you have to convert it into a logarithm form. Exponential form simplify చేయాలంటే ఎప్పుడు logarithmic form లో convert చేసి చేయగలుగుతాం. Okay. Applying log on both sides. Applying logarithm on both sides. What will be this one? 3 power x can be written as, first we can write this one like this. Log 3x is equal to log of 5 power x minus 2. This is in the form power. Power la undi kabatti power eppudu front ki vastundani cheppanu kada. X log 3. X log 3. This x minus 2 also comes this side front. X minus 2 into, okay, అయిపోయింది మహేంద్ర. X log 3 is equal to, now we shall multiply this one, x into log 5 minus 2 into log 5 minus 2 into log 5. Here also x is there, here also x is there. We'll take out the x common from this one. First you bring x log 5 this side, x log 3 minus x log 5 is equal to minus 2 log 5 we are having. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
How can we cancel this minus? If we bring x log 5 here and x log 3 here, it will be the same. X log 5 minus x log 3 is equal to 2 log 5. ఏం లేదమ్మా, సింపుల్ గా సైన్స్ చేంజ్ చేశాను అంతే. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ పోవడం కోసం ఇక్కడ దీనికి మైనస్ పెట్టాను, దీనికి ప్లస్ పెట్టాను. ఇది కూడా ప్లస్ అయింది. నౌ విల్ టేక్ అవుట్ x కామన్. x is equal to log 5 minus log 3 is equal to 2 log 5. x is equal to 2 log 5 by log 5 minus log 3. Okay, practice all these problems from the exercise. From the exercise, I have explained all the problems, and also do from the example problems also. The next one is 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 is equal to log x. Solve that problem. Okay. Example. After that, next example is example 14. I mean, the exercise 5, 6, 7 and 8 are important, very important. You have to practice those very much. Okay. Are you having any doubts?